Hi, General Chemistry. This is Mr. Robbins. I hope you're doing well and staying healthy. I ended up getting COVID and I had a positive test, which means I'm going to be gone for the next 4 school days. I should be back next Tuesday. I'm waiting to hear back from the county health department to confirm that, which means that you will be on your own without my help the next 4 school days. And I plan to help you out via video and sending emails to answer questions and things like that as well. All the due dates, this video is just to help you out with kind of what the next 4 days will look like. All the due dates will be after I return. I don't want any of you to be stressed out. If you can't figure something out, I want to be able to help you with that. So when I get back, if you have questions, you can get those answered. That being said, as we move forward with content the next couple days, you want to try to stay on top of everything you can. And if you have any questions, please send me an email with those questions. And I can make a video to answer any questions that I can't answer just over an email. And I'd be glad to do that for you. For the videos, I recommend that you bring a set of headphones to class if you can. If you don't have them, when I have a video for you to watch, I will get the library set of headphones so that you guys can use those with the Chromebooks. My intention would be that the next videos you can watch at your own pace on the Chromebook so that when we're taking notes with new content, you can pause it to take the notes that you want in your own time and you're not stuck with the speed of the rest of the class. Today, you guys will do a textbook checkout. This is our textbook. It's a new textbook. This is the second year that we have had it at Glacier High School, so I strongly recommend that you get that covered. And the textbook you will not have to bring to class every day. I'll tell you what days to bring it, but for the next 4 days when I'm gone, please bring your textbook because we'll be referring to it and you might need to use it to look some information up. I just want to remind those that haven't joined Google Classroom. There's 3 of you, I think, that haven't joined across all my classes. Here's the code again for you. Take a picture of it if you need it. I've also sent everyone who hasn't joined the class an email with the join link in it as well, so please look at that. Today, your job is to check out the textbook at the end of class, and then you're going to log on to Mastering Chemistry, which is an online system that we're going to use where you can access the textbook electronically. It looks like this. If you've had a math class that uses a Pearson product, it's a similar product. They actually started this in science first and then math, and this is their chemistry one. And so we'll do some assignments on here throughout the year where you have homework problems that are embedded into this online platform, and it gives you instant feedback on whether you got the question correct or not, and you're able to input more than one answer and try it more than one time. So you have directions on your Google Classroom, Mastering Chemistry logon, and in that logon there's a PDF, and just follow the directions in that PDF and enter the long code in there to get access to Mastering Chemistry. If you haven't used a Pearson product before, you'll have to set up an account, and I recommend using a personal email address for setting up that account so that you can access it. In the past, we've had some problems with it filtering out the school email, filtering out some of the emails from Mastering Chemistry. So if you haven't already set up an account, use a personal email to set up your account. If you have already used an account in a math class, use the exact same logon that you used in your previous class, and you can just add this class to it. So follow the directions of that PDF. Once you get in there, you'll see 1.3 Introduction to Mastering Chemistry. Click on that assignment, and the rest of class, you're working on that assignment. It walks you through how to enter formulas in and enter answers in and what it looks like when you get something wrong. So go ahead and work through this assignment. It'll probably take you more than this class period, so that's okay if you don't get it all the way done. You can pick it up where you left off on another day, or at home if you have access to a computer, you can log on and just finish that off. This is graded on completion, so you just have to get it done. It might ask you to enter some wrong answers. That's okay. It's just showing you how it looks when you get a wrong answer in the system. I also want to point out one other thing. On the left side, you'll be able to click on the Pearson eText. If you ever forget your textbook, you can always access it online digitally by clicking on the eText here. You can also download it on your phone by getting the Pearson app. And if you download it, you can access it even if you don't have internet access. And it's a great way to get to your textbook online if you need it. That's it for today. I hope you have a good rest of the day. Send me an email if you have any questions, and I hope to see you really soon. It's a bummer that I'm going to miss out on the first couple days with you guys as we start out this unit.